So which turns first?
Me.
Who?
Me.
So, what color are they?
Yellow, green, and blue.
Yeah.
See?
Ooh.
So it will
Nice.
continuing. Oh no, that one starts. So it is this green ball.
So how many balls you have?
4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So what
Okay,
color?
use
What
this
color are they?
Yellow, orange, green, and blue.
Blue, green, orange, yellow.
Yeah.
So easy.
So the ball set. Yeah.
Okay, my turn. Hello everyone.
Hello, Xavi Anna.
Today we're going to learn color with balls.
Yeah. Yeah. So Anna have a ball tie set.
And me too.
Yeah.
With
And
pound.
here is the ball tie set of Xavi. So which turns first?
Me.
Who?
Me. Me turn. My turn.
Okay. So let's Anna do first. Okay.
I do first.
Anna.
Okay, Xavi do first.
Okay. Xavi, let's open the box and see what's inside.
Ooh, we got a hammer. Okay, hammer. And the bow tie set.
Yeah. And it looks the same with the box, Xavi?
Yeah. It looks the same as the box.
The same.
Okay, let's put the box on.
Yeah.
So,
It's so
the game like
colorful.
this. Yeah. The game like this, like we pound a ball like this. Like we'll hit this
Okay.
hammer.
How many balls you have?
3 balls.
Where?
1, 2, 3.
So, what color are they?
Yellow, green, and blue.
Yeah.
So we're going to knock down one ball first, like this. For the first
The
try.
yellow ball is done. And now?
See, it's like stuck like this, everyone.
It's stuck.
So we need to use this one. See?
Ooh.
So it will
Nice.
continuing. Oh no, that one starts. So we use this green ball. See, it will go down
Okay.
again.
So
Yeah.
now you can knock down all 3 of them
Yeah, my the
at the
yellow.
same time. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Oh no, the yellow ball.
Don't need put.
Okay. You can do but from this side.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, the
Oh, this other sound is very interesting.
yeah.
Like
Like a xylophone.
Okay, so are you done, Xavi?
Yeah.
Yeah? And now is the Anna turn.
But have to read this letter. Pound and burr. Get to know the colors and shapes.
Yeah.
How happy
So we
grows.
are going to learn about the color and shapes with this bone chart set. Xavi, you can be quiet.
Okay.
Okay, Anna is opening the box to see what have inside. Okay, Anna, let's take it out.
Here.
Oh, so many pieces. Oh, the box of Anna. Anna has to put them together.
Ooh.
Oh, a big hammer.
Xavi.
Yeah, bigger than Xavi's hammer. So Anna has to assemble them.
Okay, let me help Anna.
Anna,
Sticker.
the instruction,
No, it's the sticker.
the sticker.
Just put the sticker away first.
So Anna, do you want Xavi's help? You can do it by yourself.
I need to see this.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Anna, let's put the box here. Yeah.
Okay, let me open this box. Ooh, everyone, this This ball make the sound very fun. Okay. Now let's continue.
Yes,
doing
Anna
it.
do it by herself, Xavi.
Can I do it?
Then you have to ask Anna.
Now can I do it?
Okay.
Okay.
Anna is making the slide.
And me too.
So how many slides you have, Anna?
4 slides.
Anna, how many slides you have?
I have 4.
4. So what color are they? Anna?
They are green.
They are green.
This is the green slide. Okay.
Blue side.
This is the blue slide.
The yellow
And
side.
this is the
Orange side.
orange slide. And final,
It's
Anna
the
is
yellow
holding a yellow slide. Anna is making all the slides together
What is very hard to
to make this bone tie set. Everyone look at the balls. And then Anna will tape the sticker like this on the
Okay.
slide.
Look.
Why you can do like it?
Yeah, put like this. It is stuck, so put like this. Anna, put like this. And then you push one into it. One into
Yeah,
it.
mommy can see the sound. So it's done. And now you have to make the sound.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Still with another orange.
Okay,
Okay, let's cut it
he is
together.
fix his mistake.
Oh.
Anna, you can finish the basin.
Right.
Yeah.
That's correct?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, you have to push stronger.
Ooh. Okay. Finish this one. Okay, let me do it. Help Anna.
Yeah, it's still quite hard to finish.
And this one, Anna.
And Xavi Anna is almost done. Assembling the tie set, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, we finished with the 4 slides.
And this one more.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Here we use the yellow. This.
Here.
Wait.
Not it's the
Sorry.
red one. It's the orange.
Okay, let's Anna do it by herself.
And the
Okay,
last
first is the yellow circle, Anna.
The last one is the.
And the blue circle.
Okay. It's the last one. The green circle is the third one.
And the red.
And Anna finish with the orange circle.
And now let's finish.
So we have 4 horns. To place the bones on the horns, okay?
Wait. This one too. Okay. Let's put this here. Okay. And the green one over here. Yeah, okay, so now put it up.
So it's the final step
Yeah.
to finish the set.
Okay. Okay, let's try.
So how many bones you have?
4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What
Okay,
color?
I'll use
What
this
color are they?
They're yellow, orange, green, and blue.
Okay, where's mommy? Okay, let
And
me
I will do this 2 colors.
show the ball set. Yeah.
Okay, my turn. Wow.
Okay, one more time.
Everyone look, I found a hole over here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's to put the hammer.
Oh, it's the blade of the hammer. Okay, let's put on the bone. And where's mommy? Anna, let's knock the green bone. Yeah? Okay. And now, Xavi, let's knock the blue bone. Yeah? Correct color. And
Yes.
Anna, let's knock the orange ball. And final but this side. Let's mommy see. Okay.
Maybe not that.
Yeah, the final is yellow ball.
Okay.
Okay, I have a challenge for you.
What?
So who wants to do first?
Me. Anna do.
Okay, let's Anna do. Okay, so Anna, let's play on the ball on here. Blue, green. Okay, let's knock for mommy, but wait. No. No. Green, yellow, blue, orange. Yeah.
But it's stuck. Ooh.
Okay, so Xavi, let's do the challenge.
Okay.
First, you have to place on the 4 balls. Okay, the challenge is knocking at the green, yellow, blue, orange. Okay, Xavi is right, Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Xavi, Anna.
I want to play rock number 4 balls.
Yeah? You want to do the challenge next, Anna?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, really fast.
Wow, really fast. My turn. Let me
I really like this sound when the ball rolling on the slide.
Let me try do fast.
Oh, the ball has a sound very interesting, very funny. Yeah. Okay, let's mommy try.
Can I try? Can I try doing
Yeah.
fast?
Okay.
Oh no, it's stuck.
Okay, mommy turn.
Okay.
I want to try with a big hammer.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, can you give me a challenge?
Yes.
Wait.
No, let me turn first. Okay, so we turn first.
Yellow, blue, green, orange.
Yellow, blue, green, orange. Oh, it's so funny. Is that right?
No.
Okay, Anna, do you want to give mommy the challenge?
Yeah.
Or you want to play?
Me want to give you a challenge.
Yeah.
Green, blue, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, orange, yellow. Mommy almost forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. I correct already. Green, blue, orange, yellow.
Okay, so let's play by the
And
sound.
next challenge, I will put it.
Like this, and need to arrange it again. Okay, let's arrange it again.
Okay,
Yeah.
and I have a challenge. I think Xavi
So Anna, let's keep Xavi challenge.
Okay.
blue, green, orange, yellow.
Yeah.
So easy.
Xavi, where the tie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's put the it on here
The
on the table.
từ
What?
lấy
Okay, Saviana, let's play the tie set at the same time.
me first. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Fall down from the floor.
Alright, me turn.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, they stuck again.
Oh, it's stuck and
Yes.
Yeah, my turn. Let's see the book. Okay, so this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.
Bye bye. See you the next